Hey guys, so I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna get straight into it. I just came back. I had to pick up a bunch of PO boxes packages, so I'm gonna box with you. So guys, some of the stuff are my sister's, so I have to open all of them because the PO box is in my name. So to figure out what is mine, what's hers. So if it's hers, then I'll just put it to the side. I just needed to get my sister. Hold on. So on my agenda first is just to go through these packages first, get those out the way, put them away. And then my brother wanted to go out with me, so just because he just felt like going out, so he went me to the post office so I could go pick up all the stuff in my PO box, because I think I told you guys really quickly, like, I'm not playing with these delivery people unless I know for sure I'm gonna be home or somebody else is gonna be home. I'm not sending a package anymore to my house. I send it to my PO box now. So I went to go pick it up, and it was a lot of packages today. The lady was probably like, why she got so many packages? But anyway, so I had to re-up on my pads because I know I only had a few left from my last cycle. So I bought from Amazon. I recently just bought some Cora thing. It got shipped pretty quickly. I think it was supposed to come. Was it supposed to come later? Maybe no. I think it came on the right time because I still have Prime right now. So I just got them so it could come quick, because I know my period's going to come sometime in the last of this month or something. So I want to re-up on that. I used the Cora, which is an organic brand. I stopped using Always now. It's been like, I think 3 years I stopped using it because I didn't like Always anymore. Okay, so let's move on. I think there's a few SHEIN packages. Yeah, this is SHEIN. This might be mine. This could also be my sister's because I know she also had a SHEIN package. And I don't remember what trackings, and she probably doesn't either. So I'm just gonna go through all of it and see if it's mine, hers, whatever. I gotta look at the stuff. I think this doesn't look like anything I bought. This is definitely her package for sure. Just looking at the package, so I'll just leave that to the side for her for later when she gets home. This one is from, I can't even see. Look how they put the paper. This might be hers too, I think, because she likes she listens to, like, she has collections of like K-pop albums and stuff. So I don't think this is mine, but let's quickly open it to make sure. I think this is hers too as well. And I don't remember exactly what she ordered, what she didn't order. She didn't tell me exactly. I just know she told me she has packages. Okay, yeah, this is definitely hers because it's a what do you call this? Yeah, I didn't buy that. This is like a, you know what I'm trying to say. It's a, I know what I'm trying to say, but I don't know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, she likes albums and stuff like that, so that's definitely hers. I think everything else is mine now though. This is SHEIN, yeah, SHEIN again. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. Yeah, these are mine for sure. Because when I looked at it, yeah, these are all mine. This whole package is mine. I don't think I bought her anything from here. This is my birthday dress, I feel like. A lot of stuff I can't really show you because it's like, I got a lot of undergarment pieces. This is the dress I got for my birthday. It's very thin material. I probably got to wear something under that. I'm not going to show you guys my dress. These are all undergarment stuff. I think, is this the thing that I got for like... Oh yeah, I got this. This I'll show you. So like, you know when you're wearing dresses, like me, I got a stomach. I'm trying to get it together though. So it can tuck it all in. I saw this. It's like a whole thing you can put under your dress, which is so much better. Because sometimes I feel like I put the underwears, the tummy tuck underwears, and they always roll down. So this is perfect because then it's like a whole thing set. So I got this. I'll try to link what I got in the description box, but I got that. And then I got a lot of, like, I guess I can kind of show you guys. This is, what is this? This is my birthday dress. And then I just got a bunch of undergarments because I like me a two-piece set. So this one, I don't know if I got it. I think I got this as a two-piece set. It's just like a bra set, like a brown one. And then I like the patterns of this. I'm not going to take out the stuff, but this is like another set with florals and stuff like that. So I just got 2 sets of that. So that's that. All right, next package. I got more. Yes, I do. I have 2 more. At some point, I have to go through it, try them on and stuff like that. I just don't feel like doing that. And then I always wash my stuff because you know, from packaging and stuff like that. Why did they just put this like this? Okay, this is mine. I got this for my birthday. I already have our birthday trip secured, right, by the way, for this year. But I got a shirt that says Chapter 30. My sister bought this for me, actually. This she bought for me. So that means, oh, that means I should actually look in one of these packages because it might be one of my stuff too, actually. Now I thought about it. She bought something else. I forgot what else I told her to buy me. So one of these stuff, I got to check that bag again to see if one of the stuff is mine. Because she bought that for me. I asked her to buy for me on SHEIN because she was making an order. And then, what is this? This is not mine. I think this is hers to see. Because I think one of these stuff is mine. This is, I can't remember what I told her to buy me, what I didn't tell her to buy me. This is not mine. This is definitely hers. I think these are her stuff for her outfits. Is this mine? Now I gotta ask her what she bought me, what she didn't buy me. I think all these three stuff is hers. This is not mine. This is all hers. Maybe maybe all I told her to buy me was the Chapter 30, which is this. Which I showed you guys. Chapter 30 since 1995 because that is the year of my birthday. So I'm planning to wear that sometime around my birthday. Probably get photos with that as well. But yeah, that concludes the unboxing. We're already at 7 minutes. I'm not going to talk anymore. It's already, what time is it? I think like 10:36 or something. So time is going. I actually want to get a start on continuing this presentation that I have. I was like, let me use my time wisely. So I got to put away all these stuff. And then after that, I put away my clothes. And then I'll get to the rest of my day and whatever else I have to get done. So yeah, but I think this is very quickly, let's go into this Bath and Body Works haul and then we're gonna be done. I need to re-up on stuff. I've been going crazy with these for whatever reason. I started buying them again, these Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers. So I think I have one more left. I've been using them like crazy. I'll be like sanitizing, especially at work. I just be sanitizing my hand. So I got this White Burn Sunshine and Lemons. I got a white tea. This is open. Is it? I don't know. It feels open. White tea and sage. And then, did I get any more? Oh, yeah, I did. Trying to give you guys all the hand sanitizers first. And the last one I got was Touch of Gold. So I've actually been using these, so that's why I bought some more. And then I did say I was going to stop using the Bath and Body Works body washes, but I've been buying them again because it just more convenient. If I'm going in there sometimes to get other stuff, I just get it sometimes. So I ended up getting 3 cents. Warm vanilla sugar. I was gonna say something else. Then I got, so I'm gonna quickly talk because my phone storage again, I can't film a lot of stuff on here. I gotta go through and delete. It cut off. So In the Stars is the other one that I got. And then I got 2 more of these scents because I love these room sprays. So that's a re-up on that. So I got Clean House Vibes. And then I got Japanese Cherry Blossom. All right.